Hi friends, I'm Master Daisy from Balloon Daisy Clown. Thank you so much for your views and comments. If you want to support us or buy me a cup of tea once a month, you can use the join button or the link in the description. We are very grateful for your help. Today is a very special video. We are starting to populate our balloon zoo and we'll collect the 30 best one balloon animals. One video, one balloon, one animal. Let's go! How to make the dinosaur's head twist a small loop fast. Now let's make a pinch twist. It will support the head and neck perfectly. The head is ready. Next, the neck. Twist a 6-finger bubble twist. There we go. How to make front legs? Now, for the front legs, twist 2 bubble twists. 1, 2. Bring them together and twist them again. How to make the body and back legs? Twist 1 2-finger bubble twist for the back. The back is done. We'll make the back legs just like the front ones. Twist 2 bubble twists. 1, 2. Join them and twist again. Now let's make one pinch twist. And one bubble twist. Then wrap the balloon around the dinosaur's neck. How to make the spikes and tail? Twist 3 small bubble twists and wrap them around the pinch twist. 1, 2, 3. These are the spikes. Now bend the tail slightly to give it a nice shape. Time to draw the eyes and a smile. Use your permanent marker to bring him to life. Our dinosaur is ready! And now, as promised, I'll show you how to tie a balloon without a string. Hold the tail with one hand. Use your other hand to stretch it and wrap it around your middle and index fingers. Bring the tail forward and pinch it between those 2 fingers. Pull the loop up over the tail and tie It's easy and simple. You can do it yourself. In the next video, we'll make an animal that absolutely loves carrot. If you guess it right, I'll give you a shout out in the video. Leave your guesses in the comments. Subscribe to our channel. You can support us via a join button. Thank you so much. With love, Master Daisy. See you soon. Bye.